Have you ever seen a bee as small as an ant? That can't sting, but produces some of the most powerful, and expensive, honey in the world? Meet the tiny stingless bee, nature's miniature miracle from the tropical forests of Indonesia. This tiny bee is known as Trigona, or klanceng in local Indonesian terms. It measures only 3 to 5 millimeters, much smaller than the average honeybee. But don't let its size fool you, these little ones are fierce micro-warriors. What makes them special? They have no stingers. That's right, they can't sting. Instead, they defend their colony by biting and sticking onto intruders like glue. Small but seriously feisty. Trigona bees live in large colonies with a queen, workers, and guards. Their hives are made of tiny wax tubes, beautifully arranged inside hollow logs or containers. Now, their biggest treasure is their honey. Trigona honey is more watery, slightly sour, and packed with antioxidants. Some studies even suggest it has strong antibacterial